Welcome to GDB. Changing out some components in my toilet tank here. Originally I had to change out this flush valve, and in the process this broke, which is what I'm holding right here. As you can see the color difference, this is very worn compared to the new one, which is nice and bright white. This is probably roughly 18, 19 years old, thus why it broke so easily when I was manipulating things in here. And an easy job became a little bit more complicated job. And the reason why I'm making this video today is not to show you how to change out this stuff, because there's tons of YouTube videos out there. I just want to show you something that I did wrong. So I buttoned this all back up, put the water in, made sure there's no leaks. Everything was looking great to go, good to go. And when I got into it, I realized this. See that? See how it's catching on there? I did not position this correctly. So why I'm making this video today is to show you what not to do. So I get to take this all back apart, drain it, and I got to move this more over here so that I have clearance for this to raise up and down. So I hope this video helps you out in the future. Not make the same mistake that I made, and save yourself some time when making your own home repairs on these so that it can be simpler for you. Hope this helps, and as always, grow, do, and be.